Welcome to Tech Cartel. In this video we will show you some very useful keyboard shortcuts for Windows 10. These keyboard shortcuts or hotkeys will definitely save a lot of your time. Most of these keyboard shortcuts use Windows key, which is the third key at bottom left in most keyboards. Want to open the Run dialog box? Press the Windows key plus R. To open the Windows Explorer, press the Windows key plus E. To switch between all open programs, use Alt plus Tab key. Use the Windows key plus D to hide all open applications and to see the desktop. To open Windows settings, use the key combination Windows plus I. Shortcut for opening the system information is Windows plus pause or break key. Windows plus L key locks your computer immediately. Windows plus G opens the game console. To split the screen in half, use Windows key plus left or right arrow. This only moves the selected window. Want to take a snapshot of the screen? Pressing Windows key plus print screen key will take a picture of the full screen and will save it automatically in your Pictures folder. If you want to take a picture of a portion of the screen, use Windows plus Shift key plus S and select an area of the screen. You will have to save the picture manually using a program like Microsoft Paint. Within a browser, you can always set the zoom level to default by pressing Ctrl plus 0. Windows key plus A opens the Action Center for settings. If you find the video useful, please like, share and comment. Please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more informative videos like this. Thank you.